ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 90. ஆகமாதீனாம் பரம தாத்பர்ய நிரூபணம். The aim of all the scriptures. Shloka 1. Vrikabhrigu muni mohini अम्बरीषादिवृत्तेषु अयितवहि महत्त्वं सर्वशर्वादिजैत्रं स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नं किमपि यदवभातं तद्धि रूपं तवैव. Word by word meaning. Ayi Paramatman, O Supreme Being. Vrika Bhrigu Munimohini Ambarishadi Vritteshu. In the episodes connected with Vrikasura, Sage Bhrigu, the Mohini Avatara, King Ambarisha, and others. Tavahi Mahatvam, thy glory alone. Sarva Sharvadi Jaitram, establishing thy superiority over Shiva and all others. Iha Sthitam is proved here in the Bhagavata. Nishkalar Vagabhinnam, non-different from the Supreme Brahman, who is Nishkala, as well as the Shakala forms like Brahma and others. Arvak here refers to the Shakala forms. Kimapi, indefinable. Yat avabhatam, that which shines. Tat rupam tava eva hi, that form also is thine own. Full meaning. O Supreme Being, it is thy glory which establishes thy superiority over Shiva and all others, that is proved here by means of the episodes connected with Vrikasura, Sage Bhrigu, the Mohini Avatara, King Ambarisha, and others. Thou art non-different from the partless Supreme Brahman, as well as the Saguna forms like Brahma, Shiva, etc. Thou art that indefinable being who dost shine as the essence of all. Om Tat Sat.